Think you can slip past regulators? Think again. Germany's financial watchdog is deploying AI to sniff out market abuse, and the odds of getting caught have never been higher. That's right, cutting-edge tech is flipping the tables on offenders. If you love seeing smart tech take on bad actors, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I want to hear what you think about AI becoming the cop on the trading block. Here's the deal. BaFin, Germany's federal financial supervisory authority, rolled out AI in its alert and market analysis systems last year. Since then, President Mark Branson reports sharper accuracy in detecting suspicious trading patterns, making penalties for market abuse in Germany even more chilling. You might remember BaFin from the Wirecard scandal, when a once $28 billion fintech giant collapsed under accounting fraud scrutiny in 2020. That failure rocked trust in the agency. Now, under new leadership and with more investigative power, BaFin is rebuilding its reputation, and they're doing it with AI's muscle backing them. Bottom line, when regulators wield AI, the game changes. Compliance isn't just about doing the right thing, it's about survival. If you're trading, watch every move. And if you're building systems, expect smarter watchdogs watching you. If this sparked your curiosity, smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and let me know in the comments. Should AI have a say in policing markets? Don't stop here. Check out the related video popping up in the corner now. It dives even deeper into how tech is reshaping finance oversight. This is where trust meets tech. AI might just be the watchdog finance needed. Stay sharp, stay informed, and I'll see you next time.